Oh yeah. Now look at yonder. That's them Omaha Steaks. You know, if you get one of them care packages from Omaha Steaks, one version of them has these. Just look at them little things right there. That's them meatballs right there. Yeah. Froze harder than a rock. Oven heating up there about 375. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in that oven right there for about a good 30 minutes. So I'm talking about. That right there is what a 375-degree oven looks like with them there meatballs on that parchment paper. You know, I think they tried to throw me a side trip there. Maybe think I might want to go back to the store and get something extra. But the recipe on the box says to put them on that parchment paper on a piece of ham. Well, I had the parchment paper. You know what I mean? Let's get that door closed. And we'll put a meat thermometer in a little bit. Okay. Watch this. Some time has went by. Like pretty good amount of time. More than's necessary. And right there's what you end up with. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Look at the sizzle on them meatballs right there. That's one of them apple tarts on the side right there. You know, I was gonna cut it in half and all that stuff. I have, you know, to make a full meal, that right there. Okay, take notice on this right here. That's some mashed potatoes, them's baby reds right there. You know? But, well, you may be wondering what I'm doing, all that scraping and going on there right there. That's called flavor. And what I did is I turned the heat up on this burner and I charred the bottom down there a little bit, not much. So you can all tell it. And then now as it cools down, I'll scrape out of the way. That's flavor. Okay. Back there in this other pot, I got them green peas back there. Look at that steam coming off them green peas. Them mashed potatoes. Let's slice one of these open. Oh, that's gonna be good right there. Let's slice another one open. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Them's ready to go right there. That's the way that apple tart looks right there. That's the way it's going to be served. About half of one. I might put some sauce or something on that right there. But there's no need for one of them. They're quite large. Okay, you might be able to see where I was going with all of that cutting up right there, half and two. And I'm going to turn them, I'm going to put them right back on that parchment paper right there. Flat side down. And I'm gonna put them back in that oven at that 375, because I want to brown that halfway point right there on them sausages. I want that part to be crispy. So I'm gonna put them back in there for another 15 minutes. That's about enough on that time in that oven right there. Y'all see that sizzle? I'm gonna turn that in for grade right there. When you got sizzle like that right there, you know, they done been turned over 2 times like that way. Sliced in half, flat side down, back in there for another, about 12 minutes. So, I'd say they're good to go. Let's turn one over and see. Oh yeah, y'all see that crispy that's on the bottom right there? Oh, I'm gonna be good. They still sizzling. Yeah. They've been in there a long time too. They well cooked. I'm gonna serve them with that. I'm gonna serve them with that green peas, mashed potatoes. I think I'm going to forego the bread tonight. I do have the option of cornbread, and I also have the option of homemade biscuits. We'll go bread-free tonight. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment there. Subscribe to the channel if you want to there. Help me out on my algorithm. You know, thanks now. Well, yeah. Yeah. That's them right there, Omaha Steaks. If you get one of them care packages, Omaha Steaks, that's them Franks right there. And I done already put them in the pot, and I done boiled them for a long time. And I took them out and put them on that grill, on that pizza pan, and put them in that oven on broil. I turned them around and crisped them up. That's what they look like. Them Omaha Steak brand Franks. I'm just saying, them gonna be good right there. You know, I'm thinking pinto beans. You know, just open a can of pintos, throw one of them Franks over in there, piece of bread with some butter on it. Man, gonna be good. Thanks now, Robbie Crisp, for real, here in Middle Tennessee. They call me Shop Dog Sam here on YouTube. Don Kelly, thanks now. Hey, y'all leave a comment, you know, subscribe. You know, help the channel along a little bit there. Appreciate it now. Thank you for sitting in this evening. Well, I was thinking, Elijah's done told me up there to the establishment to get a therapy. You know, that means when you get therapy, that means they done already put one of them steel balls in your hip down there. So anyway, me and Lodge went up there, and they done give me a working over at that therapy session up there, and I liked it. And it's done me real good. And I heard about one of these big arch burgers on the YouTube when I was laid up there one day past the procedure. But anyways, I heard about this McDonald's. It's a big arch burger. This gigantic hamburger, supposed to be some fresh stuff. Compared to that Big Mac. I'm just saying I heard about it. That's all I know about it, you know what I mean. But just I thought me and Lige might go up here and get one of them big arch burgers. You know, I think someplace them burgers cost $12.95 if I'm not mistaken. I'm just saying, I hope they no more than $8 here in Murfreesboro. What do you think they're going to be? On the high side?
No, I think it'd be like $12 for the whole combo.
We'll go up here and get one of them big arch burgers and, you know, see what it's all about. But anyway, on this YouTube channel that I have here, that would probably should make amends for not taking you along this trip I'll be on. With like I got a new U-joint, a hip joint there, ball joint apparatus, and so far I kind of like it. I'm only about 5 days in. If y'all taking notes and penciling it on your calendar, that I just mentioned to Elijah a minute ago that I'll probably go home and order up some car parts now. You know, get some paint on the sideboard over there. You know. So anyways, I hadn't even told. I've not mentioned it up to now, but. You know, watch a couple of videos on the YouTube of what other persons out there in the world would be doing today. So to call out a good video, you know, if you're there in front of the computer and you watch this right here and you want to watch a better. If you take my advice, you'd click away right now and watch a really good video that you would learn something rather than listening to what I'm going to run off about this burger here. I'm pretty sure I met a lot of wonderful people, men Lige both, and Junior up at Portland this year. Wouldn't you say, Lige, we met a lot of people up there that was some really cool people and really knowledgeable.
Yeah.
I mean, to the 10th degree. Alan knows. You know, I'm going to call Alan knows out here on the YouTube on my channel. You know, just click away and watch the video. You'd be well worth your time spent. But, oh yeah, this is that... I'm gonna put that order in here. There in front of your computer while you're watching this right here, and you really don't want it to be a total waste of time. The other video I would recommend that you clicked away and watched, if I have any influence on you whatsoever, and they done already told me that I'm a YouTube influencer. I got the memo the other day, so if I would influence you to watch a video that, you know, for me to tell it the best as I can.
What's a drink?
Coke.
On both?
Yes.
Anything else for today?
Can I add on a fillet of fish?
Just a sandwich?
Yes.
Anything else for you?
That'd be all.
You can pour on this first one though, thank you.
You know, this is real-time TV right here, Lige.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
I do.
I should take a side trip on this conversation right here about and keeping in mind that the whole point of this is this big arch burger up here at the burger joint that I heard about on the YouTube on the apparatus here, and so I still don't know what the price is. I didn't even inquire about that. You know, I just placed my order. That's all I'm involved with it all. Do you need some money? Let me. You got it covered?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right, it was $26.18 for 2 meals. Now that's without tax.
What that consist of?
Just a meal.
I mean, a burger and fries.
Yeah.
Do we get some sauce? I think they have some big arch sauce. Question about it. Get an extra.
It's on there.
You get one.
Yeah, it's on there.
So, man. So you know what they're probably, I'm sure they're gonna get me on the copyright right here on account of this logo in the background. But you know, that's just the best I can do, to be honest about this burger. So.
Yeah, I don't think the logo matters for copyright.
Training the 4 distance there. So I'm gonna read this to you then. What would you classify this as, Lige? A review?